Luba 2. The Luba 2 is a smart robotic lawn mower designed to make yard maintenance effortless and efficient. Built with advanced navigation and intelligent sensors, it can mow large and complex lawns without needing boundary wires. It handles slopes, uneven ground, and tight spaces with impressive accuracy, ensuring a clean and even cut every time. The Luba 2 operates quietly and efficiently, making it ideal for residential areas. Its weather-resistant design allows it to work in different conditions while protecting internal components. Users can easily control and schedule mowing through a simple interface, saving time and effort. Beyond convenience, the Luba 2 promotes smarter outdoor living by reducing manual labor and improving lawn care consistency. All-3 Mantis. The All-3 Mantis is a next-generation autonomous construction robot built to work directly on real-world building sites. It is designed to bring automation out of factories and into active construction environments, where precision and efficiency matter most. Fully electric and highly intelligent, the Mantis can perform multiple tasks such as placing materials, fastening components, finishing surfaces, and even inspecting work with very little human involvement. What makes it especially powerful is its modular tool system, which allows it to switch tools depending on the stage of construction. This means one machine can support several phases of a build instead of relying on different crews and equipment. With its strong lifting capacity and long reach, the Mantis can safely handle large structural elements while maintaining accuracy. Advanced navigation systems help it move smoothly through complex job sites without losing precision. Canvas 1200CX. The Canvas 1200CX is an advanced robotic drywall finishing machine created to automate one of the most demanding and physically exhausting jobs in construction. Drywall finishing traditionally requires skilled labor, long hours, and repetitive motions, but this robot changes that completely. The Canvas 1200CX can spray and sand joint compound with impressive precision, delivering smooth and consistent results every time. It is compact and easy to maneuver, with all-wheel steering that allows it to move through tight hallways, rooms, and obstacles without difficulty. Being battery-powered, it operates freely without cables, keeping job sites cleaner and more efficient. MX Phoenix Hexapod. The MX Phoenix Hexapod is an advanced six-legged robotic machine designed for stability, mobility, and adaptability in extreme environments. With its six-leg design, it can maintain balance even if one or more legs lose contact with the ground, making it highly reliable on uneven surfaces. This robot is ideal for research, inspection, exploration, and rescue operations where traditional vehicles struggle. Each leg moves independently, allowing precise control and smooth movement across rocks, stairs, debris, and rough terrain. The structure is built for strength while remaining flexible enough to adapt to changing conditions. The MX Phoenix Hexapod demonstrates how robotics can solve complex mobility challenges. Kawasaki Bex. The Kawasaki Bex is a futuristic robotic mobility concept designed to move across terrain that normal vehicles simply cannot handle. Instead of wheels or tracks, it uses powerful robotic legs that allow it to walk, climb, and balance itself on uneven ground. This makes it ideal for rough environments such as mountains, disaster zones, forests, or areas with obstacles. The design focuses on stability, control, and adaptability, allowing the rider or operator to travel where traditional transport fails. Kawasaki's engineering expertise is clearly visible in the strong structure and smooth movement of the legs, which are built to absorb shocks and maintain balance. The Bex represents a new vision of personal mobility, combining robotics with transportation. ICEORB Speaker. The ICEORB speaker is a visually striking and modern audio device designed to deliver both style and sound quality. Its unique spherical design instantly sets it apart, making it look more like a piece of art than a traditional speaker. Built for immersive listening, the ICEORB produces rich, clear audio with balanced bass and crisp highs, making it suitable for music, movies, and gaming. The design allows sound to spread evenly in all directions, creating a surround-like experience in any room. It is easy to connect with modern devices and fits perfectly into contemporary home setups. Beyond performance, the ICEORB speaker is about atmosphere and presence. It enhances the look of a space while delivering high-quality sound. DoorDash Dot. The DoorDash Dot is a futuristic delivery robot designed to change the way local deliveries happen. It's fully electric, small, and only about a tenth the size of a car, so it easily navigates sidewalks, bike lanes, and streets. Using smart AI, Dot senses its surroundings with cameras, lidar, radar, and GPS to avoid obstacles, people, and vehicles in real time. It can carry up to 30 pounds, about 6 pizza boxes, and has swappable batteries for non-stop deliveries. When you order from DoorDash, the system decides the best way to deliver, choosing between a human driver, a drone, or DOT. Friendly and approachable with animated LED eyes, it offers faster, greener, and safer deliveries for urban areas, giving a glimpse of the future of city logistics. Imagine a world where handling heavy liquids and chemicals is not just safer, but simpler, smarter, and faster. Meet Becca Pipe I, the revolutionary solution designed to take the stress out of industrial piping. With its innovative design, it ensures a leak-proof, secure flow every single time, protecting both your team and your environment. Whether you're in manufacturing, processing, or large-scale plumbing, Becca Pipe I adapts effortlessly, saving you time, reducing waste, and making operations smoother than ever before. It's not just a pipe, it's peace of mind, efficiency, and reliability rolled into one. Step into the future of safe, smart, and efficient liquid handling with Becca Pipe I, because every drop matters. HiWonder Arm Pi Ultra. The HiWonder Arm Pi Ultra is a smart robotic arm designed for learning, research, and automation experiments. Built with a strong metal frame and 6 high-torque servos, it moves with incredible precision and flexibility. It uses a Raspberry Pi 5 and STM32 microcontroller to control vision, motion, and tasks in real time. A 3D depth camera lets it see objects, measure distances, and understand its surroundings. It can pick up, move, and sort items with human-like accuracy. The Arm Pi Ultra also includes a voice module to respond to commands naturally. Running on ROS 2 and supporting Python, OpenCV, and YOLO V8, it's perfect for exploring robotics, computer vision, and AI, making learning hands-on, fun, and futuristic. Bella Bot, the little robotic companion that's changing the way we experience dining and hospitality. With her sleek, friendly design and charming personality, Bella Bot isn't just a server, she's an experience. She glides effortlessly across the floor, delivering your meals with precision, all while greeting you with a cheerful wave and a warm smile. What's truly amazing is how she interacts with people, recognizing faces, remembering preferences, and even bringing a touch of joy to every table she visits. Imagine a dining experience where technology meets human connection. A robot that doesn't replace warmth, but enhances it. Bella Bot isn't just smart, she's intuitive, attentive, and endlessly patient, making every visit smoother, faster, and more delightful. From busy restaurants to cozy cafes, Bella Bot is redefining hospitality, showing us that the future can be friendly, efficient, and genuinely engaging. SwitchBot K20 Plus Pro. The SwitchBot K20 Plus Pro is a smart, modular household robot that does many jobs in one device. It works as a robot vacuum but can transform into delivery robot, air purifier, fan, security guard, or smart stand with interchangeable attachments. Using lidar and dual laser sensors, it maps homes precisely and avoids obstacles, even in tight spaces. It can safely handle stairs and ledges and carry up to 8 kilograms of items like snacks or packages. Integrated with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, the K20 Plus Pro is part of a full smart home ecosystem. Its open modular design also allows DIY add-ons, making it customizable and endlessly versatile for modern homes. Festo Bionic Bee. The Festo Bionic Bee is an incredible small robot inspired by real bees. Weighing only 34 grams with a wingspan of 240 millimeters, it mimics the agile flight and teamwork of bees. Designed to use minimal materials without losing strength, it includes a tiny motor system, battery, and control electronics. Its wings beat 15 to 20 times per second, allowing it to move up, down, sideways, and turn precisely. The servos adjust wing shape for fine control. For swarms, ultra-wideband positioning tracks each bee in 3D, and a central computer avoids collisions while keeping the group synchronized. Lightweight and highly intelligent, the Bionic Bee shows how tiny robots can work together to achieve complex tasks, opening doors for micro-robotics and smart swarm systems. Meet Atlas, the incredible humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics. With its fluid, human-like movements, Atlas can walk, run, jump, and even perform complex parkour routines that seem almost impossible for a machine. But what makes Atlas truly remarkable isn't just its strength or agility. It's its ability to sense, adapt, and respond to its environment in real time, navigating obstacles with astonishing precision. Watching Atlas move is like catching a glimpse of the future, where robots don't just follow commands. They interact with the world around them almost as naturally as we do. Every step, every leap, demonstrates years of innovation, engineering, and a vision to push the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Atlas is more than a machine. It's a glimpse into the next era of robotics, a testament to human creativity, and a reminder of just how far technology has come, and how exciting the journey ahead truly is. Icon Multi-Story Robot, Phoenix. The Icon Phoenix is a revolutionary robot for building multi-story structures automatically. Unlike traditional 3D printers that work on one floor at a time, Phoenix prints entire buildings from foundation to roof. It uses proprietary software to read digital blueprints and extrudes a strong, eco-friendly concrete called Carbon X. Its large crane arm can reach multiple heights and angles, making complex designs possible. By automating construction, it saves time, cuts labor costs, and reduces waste. Phoenix can nearly halve building costs compared to older methods. Combining robotics, AI, and sustainable materials, it is transforming urban construction, providing faster, affordable, and environmentally friendly solutions for housing and infrastructure worldwide. Suzuki Mach-B. The Suzuki Mach-B is a one-of-a-kind concept vehicle blending robotics and electric power to conquer terrain where normal vehicles struggle. It has 4 small wheels attached to robotic legs that can move in 3 directions, allowing it to climb stairs, cross rough ground, and stay balanced on uneven surfaces. Its double boomerang frame keeps passengers and cargo steady even on steep inclines. On flat roads, it works like a scooter, while on rough terrain it walks, with precise leg movements. It can switch between chair mode, standing mode, or stretcher mode for medical or rescue use. The platform is modular, supporting wheelchairs, cargo, or stretchers. With a top speed of 32 km per hour and 80 km range, Mach-B is perfect for urban mobility, delivery, and emergency situations. This isn't science fiction. This is the future, arriving sooner than you think. Finding a vein shouldn't feel like a guessing game. For patients, it can mean fear, pain, and repeated needle sticks. For healthcare professionals, it can mean stress and lost time. That's where the AccuVein AV500 changes everything. Using advanced infrared technology, the AccuVein AV500 projects a clear, real-time map of veins directly onto the skin. No contact, no discomfort, just instant visibility. It helps clinicians locate veins faster, even in patients with difficult access, including children, the elderly, or those with darker skin tones. Fewer attempts, greater confidence, better patient experiences. The AccuVein AV500 isn't just a device. It's peace of mind for patients, and precision you can trust for every procedure. Because when care is accurate, everyone feels the difference. DJI Matrice 4 Series. The DJI Matrice 4 Series is a professional drone lineup built for advanced aerial work. It includes the Matrice 4E for mapping and surveying and the 4T for thermal imaging and rescue missions. Both drones carry multiple cameras covering wide, medium, and long ranges for clear, detailed images. The 4T also has a thermal sensor and near-infrared lighting for low-light environments. AI-powered object recognition, a laser rangefinder, and advanced 3D mapping help pilots navigate safely, even in tricky or weak GPS areas. With excellent obstacle avoidance and durable design, the Matrice 4 series is perfect for inspections, surveys, mapping, and emergency response, offering precise, reliable, and intelligent aerial solutions for professionals.